Hey, hi all. So today I'm going to show you how to use the Supreme card plan of Let's Connect. Okay. So with regards to the Supreme, you will have many features which are included. Where mainly I can say where you have the all the different types of custom templates as well as products and services where you can actually list out, and also mainly the booking appointment. There are many websites which actually charge you for the booking appointment on monthly basis, but with regards to our card, in Supreme plan, it covers you uh, it covers you like where you are actually getting the landing page of your profile along with the business card, and also uh, where you can actually list out all your products and services, and also schedule the appointments where the customers uh, or the when you go to networking, if someone wants to book the appointment, they will be easily able to book appointment straight away when you can share the your profile, or just by tapping and share your profile, and they will be able to book the appointment. So let me walk you through the Supreme plan. So I have logged in now. Once you will receive you will receive the login credentials from our team after the initial setup. Once you are able to log in, you can change the password, and also what you need to do is you can go to vCards, okay, and then click on edit, and over here so you will see your card and you need to click on edit. So when you click on edit, now you will be able to see the entire profile, okay, all the different options which are available within the dashboard. So here you can see the basic details, and you can fill out all the basic details which you want to show up, and this is going to the profile image, which is going to act as your profile image, and also the cover image is going to act as your um, profile cover image, okay. So and one more, the favicon image. So when we say favicon, so let me open this profile in a new tab. So over here you can see the icon, right? So that's what the favicon is, and it should be always 16 into 16. So you can see even the resolutions, okay. uh, and try to make sure you are using the right image formats to upload the image. And now you can even add your personal details, and also you can even go to the other configurations over here. It's up to you what all options you want to enable and disable, okay. So you can see if you want to show the multiple languages, example here you can see, right? So if I'm going to choose some other language, it's going to change to that specific language. Think so? Okay, nope, at the moment not. Yeah, of course it is actually changed. Let me just reload and try it. Okay, it is not translating, but here you can see a few of the things which are actually translated to the other language. So even it's a kind of a language changer. And display inquiry form, and also if you display inquiry form is where you want to showcase the inquiry form within your profile. So I will reload this. Now you will be able to see the inquiry form. Yeah, this is the inquiry form and they can submit it. At the moment I'm going to turn it off. And then vcard templates, so virtual card templates. So here we have got almost many different types of templates where you can choose as per your industry, or else as per your uh, interest. So you can choose any of the templates anytime, and you can play around with this templates. Okay. And the dynamic template is where you can actually customize the colors as per your brand template. And here you can see vcard, right? When I say vcard template, let me just show you. So the dynamic vcard, you need to apply the dynamic vcard template over here. So then only you will be able to use. Yeah, here you can see the dynamic vcard. Okay. So when you select this, then you will be able to actually change the colors. Okay, this dynamic vcard is going to directly apply to the dynamic vcard template which you are going to select. And next thing is business hours. If you want to add the business hours, you can actually add the business hours, and you can select the time range. And then the main thing is products and services. So when it comes to the products and services, so you can add your own products and services over here. Simply click and give the service name, add the url if you have any short description, and also you can change the service icon. Images, it can be, I mean, best fit is 250 into 250, which you can use. And also you can include your products as well if you have any. You might even see few of the options as well, like example product orders. Okay, we are actually working on way the business owners actually they can list the products and also sell it directly from the business card. At the moment this is still in a kind of a beta version which we have shared it, uh, made it available for the users, our users, so they can even access this as well, this feature where they can list out the products and get the sales directly from the business card. You can even add the gallery, blogs, testimonials, appointment, banners. Okay. So you have all these options. And in when it comes to the appointments, so all you need to do is, so this is one of the interesting thing which I can say. You can schedule your appointments. Example, uh, 12 a.m to 12:30 I have, and I want to add one more schedule, 12:30 a.m to, so just for testing I'm doing this, um, because the time is odd am, right? So just doing it for appointment, and I have selected Monday, and I will save it. So once you save it, and also you have all these options where you can actually add the social links, even the custom links, any if you have any custom links you can add it over here. And the banner is a kind of pop-up which actually comes in when someone opens your profile. Okay, that's what the banner is. And in advanced option you will be able to see the password. Okay, where you can actually change the password. Sorry, not change the password. So it's actually to protect your profile. Example, let's assume you missed the card and you have some important details, you don't want someone to actually view your profile. At that point you can actually lock it. Okay. However, basically the business card, everyone way they use is majorly to showcase the information, I mean the public information, where they want to promote or share it with some other person. So however we have got the password option as well, where you can anytime log down your profile. And the next thing is privacy policy, so where you can even upload your own privacy policy and also the terms and conditions. And additionally, at the last and one more important feature which I can say is manage section. So when we say manage section, from here you can select whatever the options you want to show it in the front end. Okay, I can disable few of the things, example contact services, Instagram feeds, iframe, newsletter pop-up is way. If you are going to enable this, the end user will be able to see the pop-up. Okay, newsletter pop-up where they can actually uh, subscribe for your newsletters. So at the moment I'm saving this. Now let's go back to the profile and reload it. So these are the custom links. Okay, and now you can see make an appointment. I'm going to click on it, select the date. So it is not showing the date because on this dates there is no appointment is available. And now on Monday we have enabled the appointments. So there are two slots and we can select one. Click on make an I mean users can actually click on, they are going to click on make an appointment and they will fill in the details. Once they fill in the details and save it, what happens is the Supreme Card holders, they will receive an email notification stating that someone has actually booked an appointment and you will be able to see that data. So I will show you where you can actually see those information. Example for inquiries, you can see the information over here, and if it is appointments, you can see the data over here. Okay, and if in case, let me show you some more things as well. I'm just shifting it to the table view so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so here you can see how many actually viewed the your profile, and over here you can see the contact and also uh, the icon of subscribers. Okay, so what it actually refers to is, if you click on this you will be able to see the email subscribers. Okay, how many users have been subscribed for your emails. Okay, newsletters mainly. And also we got one more option as well, not one more, basically we have lot more options, and also we are enabling even the enabled already in beta version open AI, so we users can even add the AI to the profile and update the description anytime. Okay, so over here, just coming back to the settings, so over here you can see ask details before downloading contact. So when you enable this, when someone is going to download your contact, they will be submitting the form. Okay, so example I have enabled this, and now I'm going to save this and also enable PWAs. So progressive web application, this actually works for Android at the moment. So it actually promotes a kind of icon. Let me enable that as well. So I'm going to save this. Okay, so enable PWA. So now I'm just saving this. Okay, seems like I missed something. Mhm. Okay, currency I didn't select it. So let me select the currency. Yeah. Okay, it says invalid PWA icon. So it should be a size of 12 into 512. So at the moment I'm just saving it. Let me see if it's going to accept. Yeah, it is accepted. So now when I reload the page, so you can see install as an app. So for Android users, they will be able to click on install as an app and they will be able to uh, view your profile anytime. Okay, it's a kind of a mini app, or we can say browser. So basically how it works is by using the progressive web application. Okay, so I have cancelled that, and now when I click on add to contact, so at the moment I think because of, okay, I didn't enable this, I'm enabling this again. So ask details before downloading the contact. So when we click this, so it's going to Let me just check it again. Okay, due to the cache it's not actually showing up the options. So I'm opening it in incognito, so you can see, right? So share your details to download the contact. So when you want someone to fill in the form to download your contact, um, they are going to fill the form. Okay, so what happens is, even you will have the data who actually saved your number, and also you can check those information anytime. Okay, so example, let's assume here I'm going to give the information Arun, and I'm just giving my information, and I've clicked on save. So okay, it already says the email address is taken. Yeah, so now the contact is downloaded. Now I will show you where you can actually find this information. For now I'm going to disable this, both the options. Let me go back to the v cards. Yeah, just go back to the v cards, and over here all you need to do is just click on this contact icon, the call icon. Okay, so when you click on this, yeah, here you can see the information. Okay, who actually filled in the form, and you can export this data anytime. Yeah, so these are the key features of um, Supreme, and it gives you a lots of flexibility, and you can update it anytime. So this is a kind of a virtual card, we can say, or even the virtual profile link where you can share it with anyone anytime. Okay, so that's it for now, and feel free to ping us if you have any queries. Thank you so much. Have a good day.